In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram story from specific people. So if you want to control who can see your stories, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. This is the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, scroll down a little and tap on Story, Live, and Location. On the next screen, select Hide Story and Live From. Instagram will now show you a list of your followers and other accounts. Simply tap on the people you want to hide your stories and live videos from. A check mark will appear next to the accounts you select. You can choose as many people as you'd like. The selected users will no longer be able to view your Instagram stories or live broadcasts. Once you finish selecting the accounts, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully hidden your Instagram story from the selected people. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.